Welcome guys, my next band on the show for Bandang Hapon Unplugged, Call of Nature! Woo! Guys, hello! Introduce yourselves naman isa-isa.
My name is Luigi Bautista. I'm the vocalist.
Erico Comilla on bass. Alan Comilla on drums.
Ako si Boyet Laplap, percussion, rhythm at keyboardist.
Si Eric Marasigan ng guitars.
Bakit nga ba Call of Nature? Ano yan na nasa CR ba kayo nung naisip niyan? Ano ba?
Actually, ma'am, nung nag-start kami during a young age, pero kami gusto namin sumali lagi sa mga Battle of the Bands. So that time, syempre, mga bata pa kami. Pag malapit na yung number namin na kami na yung magpe-perform, kahit katatapos lang namin mag-CR para mag-prepare, makakaramdam na naman sa nervyos.
Before you guys sing an original song for us, tell us about this original song of yours.
This song was written and arranged by this guy, Mr. Erico Comilla. So, nung nag-start kami, marami kaming mga ina-idolize na band. Gusto namin na marating yun, but along the way, meron mga obstacles. So, one day, he just came up, he said, I have this song. We listened to it, we put music, I sang the song, so that's it.
And the title of the song is?
Unawat Pangarap.
Ayan. So let's listen to that from Call of Nature, Unawat Pangarap on Tag 91.1. Go ahead, guys.
Mahal ko, music ko. 91.1